Westermans here with a machine which just arrived, which is a nice little compact 2 metre by 2 metre column and boom. It also comes with a 1 ton welding positioner, a SubArc head which is the Lincoln NA3 with flux hopper and manual slides in both X and Y. The machine has fitted a Lincoln DC 1000, which is optional. The DC 1000 could be changed for a DC 600 if required. The positioner is power tilt, power rotation with pendant control and foot control. There's also a 600mm chuck. The column boom itself has a pendant control with variable speed in and out, powered up and down. It also has safety stops in case the boom ever decided to break away from the motor and the anti-fail safe device would click in. It's also on a rotational base. Ideal for a small pipe shop. With the idlers, you can obviously go and put longer items on there, even elbows, and use the idlers to take the extra support. Flux recovery can be added if needed. We would normally use the ESAB air system at additional cost. This machine will be serviced to order, and more details can be found on westermans.com or email welding@westermans for more details. The machine is actually 400 volts, 3-phase. There could be a neutral involved, but at this time I couldn't tell you. That will be on the spec sheets, like I say, which can be found on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.